Welcome to PeakState. Let's explore 10 essential yoga poses for beginners. Join us as we guide you through simple yet effective yoga poses to enhance your wellness journey. Begin your day with a tranquil yoga session, embracing the calm and peace of the practice. Feeling stiff, stressed, or need a mindful reset? These 10 beginner poses will help you unlock flexibility and calm your mind. Whether you're starting your yoga journey or need a gentle daily routine, this is for you. Let's dive into the 10 essential yoga poses that will benefit your physical and mental well-being. Child's pose. Rest and release tension in the spine. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Feel your body soften. Cat-cow pose. Improve flexibility and awaken the spine. Move with your breath, feeling the stretch. Downward dog. Stretch hamstrings and strengthen shoulders. Breathe into the stretch. Mountain pose. Find grounding and posture awareness. Stand tall and feel your connection to the earth. Warrior 1. Build strength and confidence. Feel the power in your legs and core. Warrior 2. Improve balance and stamina. Keep your gaze focused and your stance strong. Tree pose. Practice focus and stability. Find your balance and hold strong. Seated forward fold. Deep stretch for the back and legs. Relax into the pose and breathe. Bridge pose. Open the chest and strengthen your glutes. Lift with your core and feel the stretch. Corpse pose. End with deep relaxation and mindfulness. Let go and allow your body to rest. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Feel your body soften. Ready to take control of your well-being? Let's continue this journey. Practice these poses daily to improve flexibility, reduce stress, and reconnect with yourself. Want more wellness tips and calming yoga flows? Hit the like button, subscribe to PeakState, and explore the retreats we recommend in the description below.